Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie. In this lesson we're going to be doing another exercise on words that are difficult to pronounce. This is going to be number 6 in the series of difficult words. Let's flip over and get our work screen right here. So here it is. These are the words that we're going to be looking at today. So listen to how I pronounce them. And then you just have to pronounce them the same way as I do. Okay, here we go with the first word. Strength. Strength. Conscience. Conscience. Phlegm. It's as if we pronounce the PH like an F sound. And we don't pronounce the G at all. Phlegm. Now here's a funny word to pronounce. It's actually pronounced baloney. Baloney. As if it were to end with the Y sound. Baloney. Specific. Specific. Strengthen. Strengthen. Ask. Now I've heard this word pronounced different ways. Some people actually switch around these two letters, the K and the S, and they pronounce ax. They say, I want to ax you a question. But that is totally wrong, so we're going to pronounce it the right way. Ask. The S is before the K, and you have to pronounce it that way. Ask. Penguin. Penguin. Pseudonym. Pseudonym. Don't pronounce that P at the beginning. Pseudonym. Lasagna. It sounds like there's an A at the end of this word, and it is acceptable to write it with an A. The A is more acceptable in American English, and the E is more widely accepted in British English. So this word is pronounced lasagna. Cocoa. You don't even pronounce the A at the end. You just say cocoa. Juror. This is difficult because there's two R's here. Juror. Affidavit. Affidavit. A lot of people pronounce this word with a D at the end, but it's a T, and you have to pronounce the T. Affidavit. Buffet. It's just as if it was ending with an A sound or AY. Buffet and not buffet. Buffet. Now there's two ways to pronounce this word. Some people pronounce it orangutan, and some people pronounce it more in American English, orangutan. Orangutan, orangutan. I normally pronounce it orangutan. Ballet. Now this ending is just like this ending right here in buffet, like an A or an AY sound. Ballet. Cologne. Cologne. Ignore that G completely. Cologne. Anemone. Anemone. You might have to try that one a few times because there's a lot of N's and M's and vowels. Anemone. Conscious. Conscious. Official. Official. Conscientious. Conscientious. Strengthening. Strengthening. accomplishment, accomplishment, strengthened, strengthened, courageous, courageous, sensitivity, sensitivity, bouquet, also pronounced like the buffet, ballet, bouquet, like an A or an AY at the end, bouquet. Vehicle, vehicle. Dehumidifier, dehumidifier. This is one of those words where it's best to pronounce it in syllables, practice it, and then you just get better and faster each time. Dehumidifier. Brewery, brewery. Okay, good. So if you've watched my other videos on pronunciation of difficult words, you know what to do right now. You can put the video on pause and look up all of these beautiful words in your dictionary before we start the practice sentences so that you better understand the meanings of each sentence. So go ahead, put the video on pause. I'm going to wait right here until you do that, and then come back with all of your definitions known for these words. Okay, go ahead, go to the pause. Okay, we're back from the pause. That was good. So you looked up all of these words, and now you are better prepared to understand all of the sentences that we're going to do. Okay, so here we go. All you have to do is listen carefully and repeat the following sentences after me. Strength. He didn't have much strength after his surgery. Strengthen. This exercise will help strengthen your back. Strengthened. I strengthened the rope for you. Strengthening. He is strengthening the rope for you. Conscious. He was not conscious after he fell. Conscience. It will affect your conscience. Sensitivity. The article was written with the right amount of sensitivity. Accomplishment. That was an incredible accomplishment. Courageous. That was a courageous act of bravery. Official. This is our official logo. Phlegm. Her throat was congested with phlegm. Penguin. A penguin can't fly. Juror. One juror was undecided. Orangutan or orangutan. An orangutan is not a good house pet. Ask. Ask your teacher. Conscientious. She made a conscientious effort. Pseudonym. Why did you use a pseudonym? Affidavit. The lawyer issued an affidavit. Ballet. She is a ballet dancer. Bouquet. What a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Bologna. I want a bologna sandwich. Lasagna. She made a vegetarian lasagna. Buffet. They have a wonderful lunch buffet. Cologne. I love the cologne you are wearing. Vehicle. You need a new vehicle. Dehumidifier. Did you empty the dehumidifier? Anemone. Can an anemone be blue? Brewery. He works at the local brewery. Cocoa. I think I will have a hot cocoa. Specific. Please be more specific. And that's it. That's how you pronounce those difficult words. If this lesson helped you, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the notification bell so that you know when I put up another video for you. If you have a comment, question, or if you would just like to say hello, or if you have a suggestion of another word you would like to see in the pronunciation of difficult words, go ahead and put it right down here at the bottom. If you guys need some help with your English and you want to really improve quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English 3rd edition, published by McGraw-Hill and available everywhere, including, of course, Amazon. This book is packed with some really good exercises that are full of tons of vocabulary words. It's a progressive learning tool, so I strongly suggest every single page right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. If you're having, which I know so many